For our next project, we're going to install some wrought iron gates right here where this wood fence is. Just like the neighbors here, we're going to try to match it up. So let's go ahead and start the demo on this baby. There it is there. Now, let's go get some supplies. Now I'm going to run some string on the bottom and on the top. Josue is going to fabricate the gates for me. Make sure to follow him on his Instagram for more videos. Give this a try. There it is there. To watch the full detailed tutorial on how we did this, check out my YouTube channel. With the help of my neighbor Josue, we got this gate completed.